found a filing cabinet on the side of the road for free. I tried to figure out what I should do with it, and with a little help from Hometalk, we decided on upcycling it into a desk. The first thing I did was clean off the filing cabinet. I washed it down to remove all the dirt, oil, debris, and dust. Next, I removed all the hardware. We bought 2 stair balusters to support the opposite side of the desk. We started by measuring them against the filing cabinet. After marking them, we cut them with our saw. We decided where we wanted the plywood to go on top of the desk. We measured where the screws needed to go to attach to the stair baluster. Ours were approximately 3 inches from the corners. My husband pre-drilled the holes in the board, and he made an X on the balusters and then pre-drilled the center hole. He lined up the balusters under the wood, and he used the drill to place the screw through the board and into the baluster to secure the legs into place. We used some putty to cover the screws on the top. We smoothed it out and let it dry overnight. I used my sander to sand down the putty to make it level, and I sanded all the sides and the edges. After the sanding was done, I wiped down the board with a damp cloth to clean it before painting. I painted the filing cabinet with Dixie Belle Slick Stick. This allows the paint to adhere to metal. I painted the board with Dixie Belle Driftwood paint and let everything dry overnight. I wanted more of a driftwood look, so I first put on Dixie Belle whitewash glaze and I let it dry. And I next added the Dixie Belle Van Dyke brown glaze. To achieve this look, you start by dry brushing on the white glaze and then wiping with a paper towel as you go. After that dries, you do the same with the brown glaze. I painted the filing cabinet with Dixie Belle blue paint. With the hardware that was removed from the filing cabinet, I painted it with a Dixie Belle metallic silver base and top coat. Here is the completed desk. The great thing about this desk is that you can make it right-handed or you can make it left-handed. I'm loving my new DIY table, and I hope this inspired you to upcycle something you find into something you need. Thanks for watching.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.